Barracuda, baby. Yeah. Let's get a close up on this boy. Look at him. Look at them teeth, bro. Look at them teeth.
What's on his face?
Hey guys, there's a lot of wind, so fun. Alright, we got squid would be the meal for these fish. See if they want it. Oh, you have a fish. Nice. That's a big one.
Okay, listen to me. Pull up.
Pull up.
Reel on the way down. JD, stop. Okay, pull up, not reel. Only pull up. Reel on the way down. Real fast. You don't need to go back. Hold your hand. Okay, pull it lightly out. Reel it right there. See? Back up.
Oh, is that a red? Wait, what's that?
I got something.
Tell me what it is.
I got a big fish.
Hold it right there.
That's a grouper?
Got it tight? Face to him. Face to him with the camera.
Yeah. Nice.
We got twins.
Double up.
Two of you together. Twins.
Double up.
Twins. Come on. Boy, you're right.
Hey, is that a grouper?
Yeah.
What kind of grouper?
They call it chicken pack fish. Not touch it. They give it chicken pack to you.
Chicken.
Got it?
Oh, we got one here. We got one here. I'm gonna catch one here in a minute. Nice. Hey, little guy.
Alright. Hold on, Ali.
Decent fish, boys. Heck yes. All right, I'm gonna go catch one. I'm tired of filming people. I've been holding the squid in my hand. Good job, guys. And that one's gone.
Oh, I did it. That's nice. When you pull up, you look for no fish, you drop it again. Okay? 5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Got one. Oh, that's a decent one. Dang, bro. That's a decent fish. Oh, it's bigger fish. They fought hard. Look at that. Yeah. Did we keep those in now? Oh, heck yeah. I was gonna get the hook out of my own fish, but you know what, it's fine.
That guy like to shell though. Watch out.
I think he hooked himself pretty good.
You can share your face and your eye and your mouth. You the this guy?
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, let's get close up on this. Oh yeah. See you later, Sticky. See you later, Sticky. That was funny though. You skipped that freaking thing. Nice strawberry.
Nice start. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Right there. Yeah. We got fish. Little like 20, 30 like this, you got lunch. But if you lay the meat, the meat.
Oh my gosh, I got one. Finally. Dang it. It took me ages, but I got one. That's a big one. Oh, no, it's okay. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Hey, is this one too small? I think it is.
Yeah, let me grab it.
Okay, well, take your. Hold on, I want to see the fish. Let's get a nice little close up on my only strawberry grouper that they're catching the big ones. I'm catching these. This is what I want in my life. Shut up.
Like that, 3.
Okay.
See you hooking here? Right there, that's it.
Yeah, cool. All right, here.
No, his lungs are moving. How is he breathing?
Where's the big fish?
Oh my god.
Yeah, how is he moving?
He's not dead.
No, he's twitching.
I got you, man.
No, I know he's twitching.
Yeah, but how?
He's still breathing.
No, this is what used to be my Barracuda.
Still breathing.
Yeah, how is he doing that?
Because
That is some big strawberry grouper y'all caught.
he most likely still has his heart.
Nice.
I was never able to keep my sucker fish though. Don't touch him, he's alive.
He ain't gonna hurt me. Look at that thing. What's that gonna do to me? Yeah, that's the fish we just caught.
Look at him.
It's getting it on. Hey, have you realized his eye is the same color
Why
as
did
his
we throw away
skin?
these ones?
No, I think we're just putting them in there so we can use it for bait. Yeah, bait.
Yeah, the small ones get used as bait. You see the one I caught earlier? That was bait. Bucket fish, bucket fish. Does whatever a bucket fish does. That was a huge white. What the frick? I have a big fish on the coast. Oh my gosh. We have, okay, yeah, I gotta, hey, I have like a decent one now. Woo! Another strawberry grouper. I need to see your fish, Jasmine. Pull it up. I have a fish over here. I'm not going with it, Rod. Jasmine.
Turn around. Yeah, just turn around.
Hey, Jasmine. For the camera. Oh, that's a fat trigger. Here. Good job.
Thank you.
I would high five you, but there's a huge trigger fish in the
You
way.
can do a high five for the fish. You gonna kiss the fish?
No, we ain't no fish kissers, and I've had a fish this entire time. All right, I got another bait bucket fish. Bait bucket. Here we go.